Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize crazy egg and tag configuration for SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize crazy egg, start by visiting the crazy egg website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the Install Crazy Egg section. Copy the tracking code provided. Now, open your website's content management system or HTML editor. Locate the header section of your website's code. Paste the tracking code just before the closing /head tag. Save the changes and publish your website if necessary. To check if Crazy Egg is properly installed, return to your Crazy Egg dashboard. Click on the Check Installation button. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a confirmation message. Next, proceed to configure the tagging for SEO. In the Crazy Egg dashboard, click on the Add a New Snapshot button. Choose the type of page you want to analyze. Enter the URL of the page you want to tag. Select the tracking options available for your snapshot. You can choose between a heat map, scroll map, or other options based on your needs. Customize the tagging settings according to your SEO strategy. Consider adding specific tags for different sections of your page. Once you've set your tags, click on Create Snapshot. Wait for the data to process, which may take a few minutes. After processing, check the snapshot results to analyze user behavior. Use this information to adjust your SEO strategies as needed. Review the tags periodically to ensure they remain aligned with your SEO goals. Remember to repeat this process for other pages on your website. By following these steps, you can effectively authorize Crazy Egg and configure tags for optimal SEO performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.